Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. Today I have a new kind of video for you, and this is going to be an empties video. So these are products that I've used in entirety in the month of June, and I have put them all in this basket, and I'm going to tell you what I thought about them. This is not a sponsored video, this is just my honest opinions. But before we get started, we would love for you to join us here at the Hebert house. I'm Leila, I'm the mom, and our channel is just about our lives. It has everything from cleaning, organizing, our infertility journey, trying to conceive, homeschool, which we're not doing anymore, but we did do homeschool and have some opinions on that. Just a little bit of everything. So if you'd like to join us for our journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have been missing videos from the Hebert house, make sure you hit that bell and you'll get a notification anytime that we post. So let's go ahead and get started with the products. I have cleaning products and beauty products in here. So I'm going to start with the cleaning products. The first one is this. It's the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, and it is in the French lavender scent, and I love this cleaner. This is actually one of my very favorites. I love anything in a lavender scent, but this one just does a really great job. I use it on my counters, my tables, everything. And obviously I loved it because there's like nothing left in it. So I highly recommend this. I get it from the Grove Collaborative. If you do not know what the Grove Collaborative is, it is a website where you can order natural and plant-based cleaning supplies, and I actually have a referral code down at the bottom if you're interested, and I'll make sure that I also link some cards to my Grove hauls up there. But that's the first product. The next product is this Miss Meyer's Peony Scent. This is the multi-surface spray. Let's see if I can get it I don't know if that's gonna focus. There it goes. Miss Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the Peony Scent. This was a spring limited edition, and I'm actually almost done with the hand soap and the dish soap as well, and it's been probably one of my favorite scents that she's ever released. It is so good. It smells so good. I'm so sad that this is gone because you can't get it anymore. Sad face. So love this one. All right, this is also from the Grove Collaborative. So I got those two. Those are just the two cleaning supplies I have. The rest are beauty supplies. So I'm just gonna reach in here and grab something. Okay, so the first thing is this Arbonne toner. You see it? And this is the Arbonne Regenerating Toner. And this is from their RE9 line. A friend of mine sells Arbonne, and I've used their product for several years now, and I just love them. They help really clear up my skin. If I don't use them for a little bit, I definitely notice a difference. And this is the toner, and I'm out of this. I'm sad because I really enjoy this toner. It's a spray bottle, and so I will be repurchasing this. I have been purchasing it for years, so I will be repurchasing that. And to go along with that, I'm also out of my Arbonne face cleaner. See if you can, it's kind of bright in here. These are metallic, so they're kind of hard to see. But, so this is the Arbonne RE9 Advanced Smoothing Facial Cleanser, which I love. And I'm also out of this, but I have already ordered both of these to be replenished. These are my regular go-to face cleaner, and then this is the toner I use in the daytime. I use a different one at night, which is a calming, but I do use this one during the day. So these have been reordered. Next up is, This is the Venus razor that has like the moisturizing strips that are supposed to be on there. And as you see, I didn't even use this one fully because I was like, oh, that's cool. I won't have to use shaving cream and just one less thing. Not true. And I use conditioner, my conditioner for shaving cream anyway. But I was like, okay, well that'll just one. But as you can see, is that the bar started like chipping off and breaking off, and then I was just getting like razor rash or whatever it's called, and so not loving it. And for the price of this thing, it was a lot, like 12 bucks. Not impressed face, and the cartridges are really expensive. So I had a coupon, but that's regardless of the point. That's why I actually got it to begin with. I wasn't gonna pay full price for it, but yeah, not impressed. Also in the not impressed razor category is this one. This is the Bic Soleil Soleil. And as you can see, they kind of look like Venus razors, I think is the point. There it goes. Okay, so as you can see, it's supposed to look like the Venus, I think, razor, but y'all, this is so not. It does not shave like that. Obviously, it's a lot less expensive than the Venus, but this is trash. Sorry, honest opinions here. So I had bought a whole pack, and I ended up just letting my little sister have them because they were not working at all. So 2 razors, unimpressed. I went back to just my regular Venus razor. So those were the 2 razor products. The next thing are these. These were Burt's Bees facial cleansing towelettes, and I actually really enjoyed these. The smell was a little off-putting to begin with, just because it's a little strong with the cucumber, but I really liked them. They cleaned really well, they removed makeup really well, and they stayed wet the whole time. So I'd recommend these and buy them again. So that's that. Okay, next. So I have to tell you a little story. The reason why this can is dented is because Kevin wanted to see if he could crush it. Like, how manly thought process is that? Like, let me crush this can. Anyways, so this is the next product. It is Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White. There we go. I actually got this as a freebie through Kroger because I do a referral program through them. And before I stopped using natural deodorants at the beginning of this month, I was using this and I liked it. It didn't cause any discomfort, and it, you know, was a good deodorant. I just switched over to natural this month to get rid of the aluminum that the other antiperspirants and things like that had in them, so I stopped using this. But I would recommend it if you're not opposed to that. So that's that. Next up is this. This is the Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I get this at Sephora. And this is the best moisturizer. I super duper love it. It says that it's clinically proven to retain moisture, and it's so true because I have naturally dry skin over here, but I have oily skin right here, and it works wonders. And then the other thing I like about this is that they are like clean friendly. They don't put a lot of stuff in their products. They don't test on animals, which I am a very strong believer in, and so I really love it. The other thing that I super love about this cream is the smell. It smells heavenly, and I use this as my day cream because it has SPF in it. And it smells good. It smells like citrusy, like pineapple-y. So love that. Like I said, I got that at Sephora. Oh, and I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you guys price ranges or not, so if you wanted to buy them, but I can. This was about, I think this runs about $28, and it lasts me 3 months for sure. These, gosh, I don't even remember how much they are. I think this one's right around 30. I think they're both around 30, but again, they last me about 3 months. These may have been about $4 or $5. And then the Method Cleaner and the Miss Myers are both about $3 or $4. All right, the last 2 products I have, I got 2 more, are both makeup products. Saved this one for last, I'm a little sad about it. But this is the Age, hold on, let me see if I can put this. This is the Age Rewind Eraser, Dark Circles Eraser by Maybelline. And it's by far one of my favorite makeup products ever. I use it under my eyes, and sometimes I even use it like around my mouth for wrinkles. But either way, I love it, and I actually repurchased it. I use it in the color Fair, and you just like click it up, and the makeup comes out the top, and it has like a little spongy thing, and it goes on really smooth, and I just love it. So I did repurchase this. I think it's around $9 at like Target. So I don't know if it'll focus again. Remember? No, it's not gonna focus again, but I did repurchase this and highly recommend it. Last but not least, I am saying goodbye to one of my first loves. It is the Dior Show Mascara sad face. I've literally been using Dior Show mascara since I was probably about 23. I am 33 now, and I've been brand loyal to this mascara for 10 years. That is $30 a pop almost for 10 years. And it's always been incredible. It's always done a great job. I have short lashes and it's always extended them, and I use it in the color, I think it's like Truest Black or something like that. And I've loved it. Well, about a year ago, I don't know what happened, but I feel like they changed their formula or something, because it just does not work as well anymore. Oh, and the other thing I love about it is look how big the brush is. Can you see how big it is? I love that. But it just has not been working as well. It clumps up really fast. I've literally only had this a month. And for $28 a pop, like, I need it to work for longer than a month. And it's already clumping, it's already chipping, and it's been doing that for the last year. And so I don't know if they changed their formula or what, but I'm definitely disappointed. And so for the first time in 10 years, I bought a different mascara this month. And it was only like $8 at Target or Walmart. I don't remember which one I got it at, but it's the Revlon, I think, makes it. But it's the Voluminous, and I've heard great things about it, so I'll let you know how that goes. I'm actually wearing it right now. But I have to say that I am sad to say goodbye to Dior Show, but I'm not gonna pay that much if it's not working anymore. It's just not worth it to me. So, all right, that is it for my empties for the month of June. I will be putting together for the month of July. Please let me know if you like this kind of video down in the comments, so that way I know if you guys want me to do it again, or if there's a category in the house of things that you may want to see me do. Let me know about that as well, so that way I know that you want to see it. I hope y'all have a great day, and I hope this was an informational video. Y'all come back and see us. God bless.